Hello, friends. So, Lockdown 4.0 has been announced, and since we have more time in our lives to stay at home and do whatever we want, I thought, why don't I share that? What do I do at home actually? So, basically, after the quarantine called COVID-19 lockdown has begun, all the schools have begun online classes. Tuitions, students have started going to tuitions and online. So most of the students are busy throughout the day, but those 5 out of 10 students like me who are free most of the time after completing their work want to do something else, like except watching TV, except doing that. What can we do? So what I thought was I wanted to share with you some things. The first thing that you can do is, this is a great time for resolutions. So you can take new resolutions. Like some of my friends took break from Instagram for a period of time, as you know, they wanted to concentrate in studies more, or just they wanted to try out a resolution. I tried out to stop playing games for a week, and it went well, and now I'm a bit less addicted, but now I play again. So that is one thing, that resolutions has a home in lockdown. Now, the second thing is creativity. So every person has some or the other type of creativity. So I prefer that every person tries out new creative. I am not good at singing, but I tried singing. I learned some new songs. So it has been a journey of new learning for me. Then I tried out painting, which I have not done ever in my life because I'm really bad at it. So I tried it out and it was pretty good. I must say, painting is interesting, but it's not. No, I did not like it. So it's okay. I just learned painting. That's basic of painting. Then other types of creativity is like I wrote poems. I started writing my own book. I played a Casio, which I learned like when I was in first or second standard. So I only know to play the first 5 or 6 keys of birthday song. Then what else? Anything else that is creative, you think? So one of my friend learned to play chess and carom. Carom is a bit awkward to say, but yes, he learned to play carom and chess, and now he's pretty good at it. And another thing that is famous during lockdown, and many people are start beginning to do it, is opening up a online video platform where they upload videos, vlogs, like Detox Myself. I have friends who have opened motivational accounts on Instagram and motivating people around them. Now, third thing that you can do during lockdown is surf through Google for all the information you can collect about a simple topic. For example, I attended a model of United Nations, so I collected a bit. I researched for 1 week, I think, about the information, about the agenda, about how the governments of different nations work, about few interesting stories around the world, about what's happening around the world during this time. Many people research about their studies, like what they have, what chances they have of abroad study, of in which field they feel that they have a best scope. So they study about themselves. So where should I go? They aim themselves. For example, my sister read about this engineering college. She's in 6th standard, but she read it, and she shared with us about about that college, and she shared what her goals were. And another is like spend time with family, spend time with friends, and it is not social distancing. It's not that you distance from the people in your minds. So my friends who are of tuition, they most of the times they we call on video or call on just on normal WhatsApp call, and we talk for some time. We share about how is our day. If we are not able to call, we just chat on Instagram DM or WhatsApp. So create a relationship with people around you, and I would challenge that if you can, in this 1 week, if you can make 10 new friends, it's your challenge. I give you this challenge to make 10 new friends, or make your relations stronger with 10 friends who you forgot or you've lost contact with. Make strong relations, and comment down below if you have done it, and if you accept the challenge also comment down in the comment box. This is your challenge for this week. So you need to make 10 friends or create bonds with 10 friends. Okay, now to the fourth thing that we come is books. So as my last video I told you, gave you 10 books that you could read, or according to my ranking they are the best 10 books. So you could read them, or you could read any type of book, any kind of book. I'd say take out a book whose name you don't understand, whose content you don't understand. Take out a book, take one chapter, any one chapter in the middle of the book, read it, and list the words that you don't know. List down the words. Take them down, take their meanings, get the meanings from Google. You don't need to write it, you just get to in your brain and make sentences or write a poem out of those words. This is an experiment for increasing your vocabulary, as this was a challenge given to me by my mother last month, which I did, and it is really helpful, due to which I was able to write a poem last week. So it's really helpful, as if you're interested in literature and all, you can really do it. Also, students who are in 7th, 8th, 9th standard, there's an interesting thing which I feel is interesting, is learning the periodic table, or learning some few interesting chemical names. So it is an interesting activity which you can do at home also, sitting on your laptop or phone or TV. Actually, you can nowadays TVs also have Google. Now the fifth thing that I feel is really cool is card tricks. So if you have cards at home, or a deck of cards, any cards, Uno cards, even if you have Uno cards, try doing magic tricks with them. Google and YouTube has a large platform of magic tricks right now, because of America's Got Talent, British Got Talent. These platforms have grew stronger, and now you can learn many tricks on Google. So I've learned like 2 or 3 tricks. So it's really made my life better. I would say I've amazed my grandparents on video call. I've amazed my sister. I've amazed my parents by the tricks. So it's really cool. Then is a common thing which maybe people have stopped right now, but yes, cooking. Cooking is a beautiful art, as it includes in the category of creativity. You can try cooking or learn cooking or do anything. I just take some things. I take few things. I have the basic knowledge of the masalas and all. I cook something in the snacks. I make it. I just serve it to my mother, father, and my sister. And we are having the meal, and then I get to know more. As my father says that this is less, this is more. My mother says that this should have been done except in place of this. So I learned of cooking more. And my sister last week made a chocolate cake, which was awesome. And I wouldn't believe myself, but it was awesome. She's 4 years smaller than me, but she still made it perfect. So this is how you can spend your lockdown and quarantine. Write down in the comment box below which one is your favorite thing to do during lockdown, and also if you want to give some awesome ideas to do in the lockdown, please give it down. I would surely try it, and if you want, I'll make a video about that. Make sure you have liked the video, and it's 11:20 in the night. Have a nice day, sleep tight, and stay home, stay safe. Adios.